Test 8, Exponents and Logarithms, question 3. Solve the following equation. Log to the base 4 of x plus 1 equals to log to the base 16 of x. I'd like you to copy the question and solve it. Stop the video meanwhile and then look into my solution. And that stands for all the questions in this test paper, rather every test paper I have. Now here is how I like to do it. Now you will observe that the base is not the same. So here we have log to the base 16 equals to. So what we can do here is we can change this base to 4. Then we will compare both the arguments, correct? So let's change log to the base 16 to log to the base of 4. So let's apply the change of base formula. So we'll do this separately. Log 16 of x is equals to log to the base 4 of x divided by log to the base 4 of 16, correct? Now, so numerator is log to the base 4 of x and the denominator is 16 could be written as 4 square, right? So we have log to the base 4 of 4 square. 4 square to the base 4 log is 2, correct? So this simplifies to log to the base 4 of x, and that is 2, so half, right? So that is how we can write log 16 to the base of x, correct? So we'll do like this, right? So we can, now this equation can now be written as log to the base 4 of x plus 1 equals to log to the base 4 of x divided by 2, correct? This is 2, correct? So we can say half of this. Is that okay? So that is how we can write this equation as, correct? Now, or we could have written x to the power of half also. That's perfectly fine. So either way. Now, so we can from here say that x plus 1 is equals to x to the power of half. This could be written as log 4 x to the power of half, right? So we can write this as x to the power of half. Now to solve for x, we can actually do a couple of things. We can square both sides, or we can substitute and find an answer, right? For example, we can substitute a variable p as x to the power of half and find what p is, right? And then solve for x. That is one way of doing it. So, or we can square this, square both sides and then solve. So either way it could be done. So let's adopt the method of squaring both sides and then solving our question. So if we square both sides, we get x plus 1 whole square equals to x, and this is x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to x. Now bringing x together, we get x squared plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Now to find x, we can apply the quadratic formula, right? So applying the quadratic formula, we get x equals to minus 1 plus or minus b square, which is 1, minus 4ac, minus 4 divided by 2 times a, 2, right? And that leaves us with no solution, right? Because we have negative here, so there is no solution for this. So we get no solution. So that is how we are going to do it. Thank you.